Hi, my name is Praveen. I am co-founder of Target Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss what is practical training and what are soft skills. Why you need to develop practical training and soft skills. First of all, in those days, it is very difficult to get the job. For example, you have completed your degree and you want a job. So if you go to the interview, they will ask some questions regarding practical training, regarding Tally or MS Office, other soft skills and technical skills. If you have no practical knowledge and if you don't know about that Tally and MS Office, you are rejected. So that will going to happen. That's why it is very essential to know what is practical training skills and what is soft skills, and you just learn the skills before you go to interview. So let's start the video. First of all, I am from Target Academy. We give the practical training to the students and we also develop the soft skills to the students. First of all, the topics covered in this practical training are first one, Tally. So nowadays, Tally is very essential for commerce students. If you want a job, so in a company as an accountant, if you completed your degree and if you are graduated, so Tally is must and should. So most of the countries, at least 80% of the companies are maintaining Tally as their main source of accounting software. So that's why it is very essential to learn Tally, not only as a basic question, you have to learn in detail. For example, if you learn the Tally in the other institutes, they just show what is Tally and they just show how to pass the entries in Tally, but they don't teach what detailed options like macros, ratios, and also entry passing, closing entries, balance sheet review, all those things, audit tools, and inventory management tools. These are all not taught by the other coaching institutes. We teach everything. For example, if you see this is the ratio analysis chart. So nobody will teach this ratio analysis task. Only some people will teach. So we are the people who maintain the books of accounts of so many clients in Tally, and we are practically trained. And also we have so many clients, and we have an audit office. So we need the people who learn Tally in detail. If you learn Tally in detail, we only take you as for the jobs. For example, if you see this thing, so this is a Tally. So these are the options of Tally accounts information, inventory management, and vouchers. These are all things should be learned in detail. For example, if you go to accounts information, these groups, ledgers, voucher types, salary information, everything should be learned in details. This is a basic thing. So of course, everybody will teach this thing, and also these things like ratio analysis, and also these things like so display things at the same time. So what are the account books? What is the use of that account books? Inventory books, cash flow statement. What is the use of that cash flow statement? Why it is useful? And receipts and payment book. Why it is necessary? And if you go to the account statements, if you have outstanding, what is the receivables? What is payables? So how receivables is useful? How payables is useful? And these options, you can see this right side options and also top options. All those things should be learned in detail. Then only you get the job. For example, you learn the Tally just a basic version and you go to the job, so they will definitely reject you because they will make you one of the sample entries. So they will use the sample entries and they will make you into the job. Actually, they will just know you only know the basics actually. So that's why you train in detail, then only you get the job. So next thing, so you just learn the Tally in detail version. We teach Tally in advanced and basics. For example, we teach the basic Tally. But you don't know anything about the Tally. We teach the basic Tally and also we teach the advanced Tally. We have a faculty with the high qualification and also high experience. Next one is the IT returns and filings. It's very essential. So you know income tax. So everybody has to file the income tax returns if they have a minimum salary and have a basic level of salary. That's why it is very tremendously going field. So if you see this income tax website, so this is a website of income tax. Uh, Nobody will teach this how to file income tax return. This is a website actually how you register your PAN and how to file the income tax returns. What are the types of income tax returns? It's like this. This is like this. So these are about income tax returns. So what is ITR 1 and what is ITR 2, what is ITR 3, what is ITR 4, 5, 6, and these are all the types of ITRs. Nobody will teach this in the practical training. So actually we are doing this job. We are filing ITRs to the so many clients. So we teach the student to our internal students. That's why we are offering this course to outside students also. So that's why they can learn the skills and they are very useful to them to get the job. So that is the goal of this Target Academy to start this practical training. So ITR is a very wide concept, income tax return. So just with the teach the ITR one, but there are so many types of ITRs. ITR two, why ITR two is required, to whom ITR three is applicable, to whom ITR four is applicable, what is ITR six, what is ITR seven. So how to file the return in this website, so how to register in this website. So what is the process of filing? So all those things will be taught by the Target Academy, right? Next one, next content. So if you see GST returns, nowadays GST is very, very essential. So every shop and every corner, every business must and should file the GST returns. So we teach how to register GST and how to file the GST return. So for example, if you see the site, this is a GST site, right? If you see the site, this is the GST site, how to register GST and how to claim the GST number to the client and also how to file the GST return monthly. If you learn this topic, so you can start your own consultancy. You can gather your cycle and you can file your own ideas, GST returns. Then, but you can get your money. So that is the thing. That is very important. GST returns. Next one is the TDS returns. This is very essential. So TDS returns. Every company must and should file the TDS return if they deduct the TDS. For example, if you go to TDS site, so this is the TDS site. 1 minute. So this is the so one second. This is the TDS site. If you go to TDS site, how to file a TDS and how what are the things you need to gather to file a TDS return, how to pay the TDS monthly. So these are all things we teach practically. The next thing, so next one is a training of this one PF and ESI returns. It's very essential. PF means Provident Fund, ESI. So these are all very essential. How to file a PF return, how to file ESI return. This is a PF site. So how to register with the site and how to file the PF return and how to pay the PF amount and also ESI. So this is site ESI site. This is ASI site. So how to file ESI return, how to pay the ESI monthly. These are all things we teach practically. So that's why you can learn. So we have a faculty of highly experienced and practical faculty. They do this job regularly. So in other institutes, actually, so these things will happen. Actually, they learn from the books and they don't practice. Actually, they don't see in the practical scenario in daily basis. They will teach you. So in our institute, actually, most of the people came from this background. Actually, they do IT returns, they do GST returns, they do TDS returns regularly. They teach you. So company registration is very essential. That is how the company will be registered. And if you have a client, actually they ask for the company registration, you can do that thing. So and also the charges are very high for company registration. They charge for 10,000 minimum. So for registration of the company and ROC filings is very essential. How to file ROC returns, all those things. And last and final one, it's very essential for every people. If you are a student and if you're getting a job, you're going for the interview. MS Office is very essential, basics and advanced. For example, MS Excel. If you see the MS Excel, so there are so many features are there. Nobody will teach every feature. For example, if you go to the home tab, so these are all things how to arrange the data and how the insert data, delete things, and all our options. And if you go to the insert thing, so what are the charts you need to learn? How to draw charts, how to do presentation in the Excel. At the same time, draw options and page layout. How to do the page layout settings in case of presentation, and how to do formulas and macros and micros and data. So how to filter the data and what if how to set the data in what if analysis and review how to review the data, and these are all the review tools. Each and every tool we explain. And also view, so we can see this page layout and formula bars and macros and micros, how where the macros and micros are used, what is the use of that. At the same time, so help these are all things review thing. So smart look and all those things, how they are helpful to you for doing the work in a smart way. So these are all things we teach you in a practical way. At the same time, you can see the MS Word. It's also very essential for report drafting. If you are a CS student or if you are a degree student going to job, MS Word is very essential because most of the work is done in MS Word. So we teach everything, every option there. So by learning this, your work would be very easy. Actually, you will get smarter and you get promoted. So by seeing this work, actually by seeing the skills, so anywhere you go, so you just promoted due to the skills, right? So you actually in insert bar and drawing, design, everything. Actually, whatever Excel have, so every similar options in Word also, but it is in a different manner. So we saw the difference between the Excel and Word, and also we train both Excel and Word in detail, basics and detail manner. Next, next one is why practical training is required. If you are going to job, it is very much required. At the same time, if you want to crack the interviews, it's a very essential. For example, in interviews, they are asking the practical questions like, so what is the entry for this in Tally? So how you sort the data in Excel? These are all questions they will ask. They are technical questions. If you have failed to answer these questions, you definitely rejected, right? So that's why it is must and should to learn these skills. At the same time, job at companies and audit firms. It is very easy to get the jobs in audit firms if you learn this practical training. And placements with the package of 15 to 35,000. But we just ask anybody. I learned these things. So what is the demand in the market? This is a tremendous demand. No, everyone will take actually. This is a minimum package, 15,000 and 35,000. Next, who can do practical training? First of all, so as degree students, definitely they have to do. So because they don't get job, actually they get the other way. Actually, they get the marketing jobs, they get the telecalling jobs, all those things. If you learn these things, they get the decent accountant job with the minimum 25,000 package. That is the difference between learning practical skills and not learning practical skills. Next, CMA and CA students. So it's a very essential for CA and CMA students. I should actually my advice they must and should learn these things because they are very essential for them while they are going to practice or while they are doing a final CA final or while they are going for the job. So they are very essential. PG students, of course, for PG students it is very essential. So in fact, for every job seeking students, it is must and should. Next, how can you do practical training? First of all, as a Target Academy, we offer offline batch, and also we have an online batch. We have a digital classes. We just give the link to the online students. Also, they feel that it is a physical batch. Actually, there is no difference between an offline batch and physical batch, right? So we maintain that software technology and we use the digital class of training. So we have an offline batch at Guntur, and we provide online training to the most of the students throughout the Andhra and Telangana, so south part of the India. So detailed material, we give the detailed material and also we give the practical examples. I already told you our faculty is a practical persons and they give the practical examples. So we have a qualified and experienced faculty, right? So the fees for the batch is limited offer batch. Actually, it is for short period because it is a starting batch. We offer these all services with for the 3,000 only. So there is a limited period offer. Actually, these are all trainings, practical training and soft skills we are giving to the internal students for free of cost. For example, if they take international courses, we as a Tiger Academy, we train international courses, CMA, USA, ACCA, and CPA. For the students, we give for free of cost, SAP and this practical training and soft skills. So we also extended the services to outside students for 3,000 rupees only. So this is a starting period offer, only limited offer, right? So I think 3,000 is a very less amount. So you can gain more knowledge. So this is for this video. All the best for your future. We meet in the next video. Bye.